Hello and welcome to the channel. On today's episode of the Kia Forte Video Maintenance and Repair Manual, I will show you the correct method to wash the engine compartment. There are several different benefits of having a clean engine compartment. Benefit number 1, a clean engine compartment looks great. Benefit number 2, it is easier to spot leaks in a clean engine compartment. Benefit number 3. This last benefit may surprise you. A clean engine actually runs smoother. The items you will need for this project are a garden hose, a spray bottle, and a cleaner degreaser. Let's get started. I will begin this project by opening the hood to gain access to the engine compartment. Next, spray the entire engine compartment with the cleaner. Avoid spraying liquids into the air snorkel. Allow the cleaner to sit for a moment before proceeding to the next step. Start the vehicle and allow the engine to run. Turn on the water and rapidly spray down the engine compartment. Close the hood and allow the engine to run for an additional 5 minutes before shutting down the engine. Project complete. Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode.